DZIQ, Radyo Inquirer, 990. Kasapi ng KBP. Hatid ay balanseng pagbabalita, walang takot na pamamahayag. DZIQ, Radyo Inquirer, 990. Para sa may init na balita, Victory in Governance and Technology through Information Network. VGATING. Para sa mga napapanahong usapan, Victory in Governance and Technology through Information Network. VGATING. Makinig at makisalo sa programang Siksik sa Impormasyon at Bigating sa Kaalaman. Kasama ang inyong mga kabarkada na sina Den Macaranas, Arnie Barcelo, Angel Bonifacio at Ellison Barcelo. Bigatin Radio. Sa Bigatin, bigatin ka talaga! With branches all over the Philippines, Hotel Sogo is the hotel chain of choice for travelers and balikbayans. Affordable, safe, and complete with amenities, unlike other provincial hotels. Now you have somewhere comfortable to stay anywhere in Metro Manila or even when you visit your favorite province.
Hello, good morning. What's up, Pilipinas? Si Ross Del Rosario po ito, ang inyong pambansang vlogger. Narito na naman po tayo sa isang umaga ng Bigatin Radio ng Radyo Inquirer DCIQ 990 AM. Ngayon, ang mga guest po natin nagbabalik muli. May nagbabalik at may mga bago. Mula uli sa isang kilala at very popular na gym. Marami silang mga branches po. At ngayon, meron silang parang isang competition or pageant. Pero ang tawag nila ito, hindi lang ito parang beauty pageant. Ang tawag nila is physique pageant. Batiin po natin sila. Nagbabalik po from the training department. We have Robert.
Good morning sa lahat ng tagapakinig. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Robert. And from the marketing naman, we have Ina.
Hi, good morning po.
Hi, Ina. Good morning. And sa marketing din. Pero batang-bata to, estudyante pa yata eh. Diba? Si Jidel Merica.
Hi, good morning.
Ayan, kompleto kasi dalawa pangalan mo eh. And nagbabalik. Kasama natin siya 2 weeks ago. Isa sa mga candidates ng Slimmers World Great Bodies Competition. We have Pepper.
Good morning.
Good morning, Pepper.
Good morning.
Dapat nagsuot ka ngayon ng sexy eh. Talagang inaasam-asam ko makita yung sexy body niya eh.
Next time po.
Next time Ayan, dapat makita ko.
Competition, sir.
Oh, talaga nandun ako. Ikaw cover
Definitely, makikita natin sila in their sexiest. Because gusto nila i-exhibit yung kanilang pinaghirapang mga katawan.
Siyempre, di ba, dapat pag malaki. If you have it planted,
Yes.
di ba? And gusto ko rin siyempre makuha in photo and video yung mga bodies ninyo eh. Pag, di ba dapat tinawag nyo great bodies eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Kailangan makita talaga, mapakita natin na great talaga siya. So, hindi lang to mga girls, pati mga boys, di ba?
That's right. Mr. and Miss Great Bodies.
Ayun.
2015.
So, kasama pa rin ang Mr. and Miss gano'n sa pangalan. Kasi sa mga posters nyo nakalagay lang Great Bodies Slimmers World.
Yes, but it's actually Mr. and Miss because of course, we want to be well represented na male and female. Siyempre, para hindi tayo exclusive masyado on the female side or the male side. Mr. and Miss, we want to inspire and invite everyone to jump into this healthy and fit lifestyle.
Tsaka nakita ko, ang alam ko kasi, all ages to, di ba? Hindi
That's
siya
right.
limited to any age. Basta 18 and above. And then
Yes.
pwede rin below 18 basta merong parental consent.
Yeah. 18 and above. And when we say above, anything goes.
Kahit anong age.
Yes.
Basta mapakita nila na talagang yung physique nila is okay pa, di ba?
Yes. And their age is not a criteria for us. Para sa amin, wala yun. We judge them, we screen them according to their fitness level and to their physique. Kung 60s ka, ang ganda ng katawan mo and you're fit, of course, it's a premium na at that age, ganun pa rin kaganda yung katawan mo. Pero, pwede ka pa rin sumali.
O yung iba kasi, ang nakikita ko sa iba kasi, nagpapaganda sila ng katawan kapag yung meron na silang time, tsaka meron medyo edad na sila, di ba?
Actually, ayun ang game plan ng karamihan ng na naririnig ko. Ang game plan nila, once I get to that age, once I have acquired enough money, meron na akong may panahon na ako, meron na akong pera, doon ako mag-aano. Kaso nga lang, nagkakaroon ng problema kasi meron ngang saying na si Baz Luhrmann, sabi niya, dance while you can. Because someday, you will want to dance, but you can't dance anymore.
Yun nga
Dadating
diba?
yung panahon na yun na ayaw nang gumalaw ng katawan mo katulad ng kaya niyang gawin dati. Dadating yung time na yun. Baka kung kailan hindi na ganun kaganda yung galaw ng katawan natin, tsaka mo gugustuhin. That's why you should start as early as possible. And our guest candidate here is a perfect example kasi she will represent the youth. And one of the inspiration, although it's never too late for the oldies din na sumali sila, no? Mga tagapakinig natin na medyo may edad na. Hindi naman not to discourage them, pero ibig sabihin lang of course it's a good idea to start early.
Oo nga, di ba last 2 weeks ago may kasama tayo na sa 45 yata, 46.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yes.
Dalawa sila na
40s,
age.
in their 40s.
Nasa 40s and nasa 40 above, di ba?
Yes, and we have
Meron pa bang older nakasali?
Yes, in this batch we have a couple of clients, a couple of candidates na older. Si Sir Paul was one of our older male candidates. I think we have older female
talaga?
candidates.
Wow.
Miss Win, yeah, Miss Win.
How old? Mga
She's in her 50s.
talaga? Wow, 50. Parang naalala ko kasi nung umakyat ako ng Mount Pulag,
Yes.
may kasabay ako na nasa 50s nga. Pero ginagawa na nila kasi to, sabi nila sa akin, kasi nag-retire na nga sila, tapos lahat ng mga anak nila may mga trabaho na, may mga asawa na. Ngayon lang sila nagkaroon ng time talaga to travel.
Yeah.
For themselves.
For themselves. Pero di ba sabi mo nga kanina, hindi dapat yung kung kailan matanda na tayo.
Yeah.
Tsaka lang tayo nag-exert ng effort para pagandahin ang katawan natin.
Correct. Kasi usually may limitations na hindi natin maaalis yung through the years na hindi natin naalagaan masyado yung katawan natin. Syempre it will take its toll. Pagka ikinonsulta mo sa doktor, sasabihin na sa atin ng doktor, ay huwag ka na masyadong magpapagod kasi hindi na kaya ng puso mo. Huwag ka na masyadong, huwag mo nang balakin gumalaw ng masyado, huwag na magsasayaw kasi may recurring injuries ka na sa tuhod kasi hindi na kaya ng tuhod mo. Dadating sila sa point na sana wag dumating, wag nila intayin yung panahon na yon, tsaka nila maisipang mag-exercise. Mag-exercise na kayo, get into the healthy and fit lifestyle while you can. That's actually the message of Slimmers World. Indirectly, hindi namin pinlano na ganito yung maging message. Pero ganito yung nagiging message Kasi we have candidates from the younger group and candidates from the older set. No? So nakikita natin na it is possible for anyone to get into that healthy and fit lifestyle. Kaso nga lang, it is really an advantage if you start early.
Younger.
So, tanungin natin si Pepper. Si
Yes.
Pepper kasi 2 weeks ago nandito ka, di ba? Yeah. From that 2 weeks na dumaan, anong nagawa mo improvement pa sa body mo in preparation for the competition?
Like I said before po, I really want to become a bikini bodybuilder. So this time po, parang nasa cutting stage ako, and that for me, I think is the hardest kasi you have to, for example, from 3 sets, siguro masyadong big word sa iba to kung hindi alam yung bodybuilding. So from 3 sets to repetitions na konti, that's bulking stage. And then yung cutting stage ngayon na 5 sets of 20 repetitions ng it's really hard. Tapos bawas pa yung water mo, yung food that you take, you should really watch out yung sa kinakain mo kasi you would you have to in this competition kasi you have to show the muscle definitions, the what do you call this, it's really your physique talaga na mahalaga dito sa competition na to, and of course your how you carry yourself.
So within those 2 weeks, ano yung definition na na-achieve mo sa muscles mo? It takes 2 weeks ba? Or longer pa dapat? Or kahit 1 week? Ano bang
para makita yung ano niya. Actually, it's a very individual thing. Some of our candidates started early, tas sinimulan nila slowly. Yung iba meron silang stages. May stages, meron silang tinatawag na periodization coming into this competition. And she's talking about palaki siya, no? She wanted more size. That's also a very good idea because you don't want to cut down. Kasi what we mean, cut down, yung ibig sabihin ng cut down, you want to show your muscles, you want to show the definition. Gusto mo, so in effect, magpapaliit ka. So, ang game plan, I'm second guessing Shane's game plan is to have some size, so when she cuts down, she still has that shape. Kasi mahirap yung nag-cut down ka nga, and then, what's left was skin and bones, nawala na yung symmetry mo, nawala na yung shape mo, which is a very viable game plan for this competition. Kasi ang malaking bagay dito sa competition natin is to come up with the shape. You have to communicate to the judges na, yes, I am fit. Maganda yung definition ko. You can see the definition, pero hindi naman ako mukhang lalaki. Pero may shape siya, na may female form siya. She still has that female form. Something that that will motivate our viewers and our listeners to achieve. Gusto ko yung ganyang katawan. Yan, that's why it's ang hirap ng ganitong sport, no? Ganitong it's some people consider this as a sport, but it's very difficult because it's a 24-hour thing. Hindi katulad ng ibang sport that you're only an athlete during the time of your practice or during the time of your game. Outside, ito, in and out of the gym, you are preparing. Pati yung pagtulog mo pati yung pagkain, yung pag-inom, pati yung paghinga.
Everything.
Lahat, pati yung rest mo actually is very important to them. They value this is the nice thing about getting into the healthy and fit lifestyle. Natututunan mong i-value lahat. Yung pagkain mo, yung tulog mo, your hours with your family, your hours with your friends. You learn how to value it more.
Mukhang may sasabihin si Ina.
And also the balance, kasi you have to balance your life talaga in all aspects po talaga.
Pero ano ba to? Kasi di ba mag-workout tayo. Meron ba tayong limit na how many hours lang dapat? Or per day, halimbawa, per day, how many hours ang kailangan mong i-google sa pag-workout?
Actually,
weights,
ideally there's a scientific approach to this. Sabi nila, for you to benefit from your exercise, dapat you should hit the peak of your natural testosterone release. Yung testosterone, ito yung natural hormones natin na magme-maintain ng muscles natin. Nagpi-peak daw to ng release pag nagsimula tayo mag-exercise at 45 minutes.
Okay.
So 45 minutes magpi-peak siya, and it will slowly taper down at 1 hour 15 minutes hanggang 2 hours pa. Medyo mababa na siya after 2 hours. So ideally, 45 minutes to 1.5 hours is the ideal, or 1 hour 15 minutes is the ideal time na makapag-workout ka, yung high intensity training. Ibig sabihin nun, para ma-develop mo yung muscle mo, so from 45 minutes to 1 hour 15 minutes, ideally you should cap your exercise routine by then. Boom, para may natural release of testosterone ka, na you will benefit from your exercise.
So hindi na pwedeng lumagpas doon.
Pag lumagpas kasi, sabihin na, ano ibig sabihin? Pag lumagpas kasi, yung sinistimulate mong muscle, yung gusto mong lumaki, hindi na siya. Yes, there won't be enough testosterone in your natural secretion para ma-maintain yung muscle na gusto mong palakihin.
Wow, may scientific ano pala yan, ha?
Oo.
Wow, galing.
Well, syempre kasi actually pati yan, these are the few things na kapag ka nagpe-prepare ka, napapansin mo yung maliliit na details na to eh. This is the whole mantra of Slimmers World, na we believe in competition, that competition brings out the best in people. Biruin mo, like Shane here is a client. She's not really a trainer yet. Hindi nagte-train lang siya, nagwo-workout lang siya. But all of a sudden, because of competition, she got into the details of training because of competition. Kasi kung wala naman yung competition, she will just go on her merry way and mag-exercise ako, papasok ako sa gym. Kaso nga lang, because of competition, yan na nagawa. Nagkaroon siya ng details. She learned how to appreciate everything about what she's doing. Yung pagkain niya, yung pag-rest niya, yung exercise niya, every detail bine-breakdown niya. Magbe-benefit ba ako sa ganito or hindi ba ako magbe-benefit? Hindi ko na gagawin 'yan. Yun ang kagandahan ng competition. That's one of the good effects of competition.
Talking about the competition, tanongin natin si Ina. Ina,
Yes,
si marketing ka, di ba?
Apo.
So, yung competition ba na ginawa ng Slimmers World, di ba? Great Bodies. And then we also have Miss Bikini yata yan.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
right.
Also have Miss Bikini.
Naging reason ba itong mga competition na to para mas lalong dumami yung mga clients ng Slimmers World?
Yes, of course, sir. Hindi naman natin matatanggi yan. Kumbaga, every year po talaga, for every event that
Kasi
we have.
annual to, di ba?
Opo, yes, it's an annual thing. So, definitely, new clients come in because they're really, they really get interested with how it works, especially yung mga, mga bagong clientels namin na, since bago nga sila, madalas sila yung na-invite to join competitions, ganyan. It's also
mas ini-encourage yung mga
yes,
bago.
opo. In Slimmers po kasi, we really want to motivate our clients to become better. Kumbaga, it's a personal thing, and also for them to feel that we value their health really. Kasi yun po talaga yung importante.
Gusto kong tanongin 'di ba? It's a motivator siya, 'di ba? To yung mga clients niyo to join the competition.
Opo, yes po.
Ano ba yung mga other may mga 'di ba may mga prizes to, 'di ba? Aside from the bragging rights na they won.
Yes.
Yes.
Opo.
So may mga prizes ba to from Slimmers World and other sponsors?
Yes po, opo. We have prizes naman po. We have cash prizes, and then of course yung bragging rights nga, and then the exposure also of being a winner of Great Bodies and also the other competitions of Slimmers.
When they win ba, meron bang series of mga guesting ulit, and then mga
Definitely po there
are they
is.
representing Slimmers World?
Yes, they will po, opo.
So parang meron kayong sila yung parang magiging endorser nyo na ba or something like that?
Not really endorser, pero parang po sila, they will be our parang
lalabas ba yung mga
parang
photo nila?
Yes, ads.
Yung mga poster nila?
Actually,
yes po.
Mga ganon.
In major newspapers po kasi.
Yes, there will be ambassadors of Slimmers World. And also, yung isang adding from the bragging rights, something more deeper why our candidates such as Shane are really into it. Ang kasi is tradition. The history and tradition. If you win this, like I said, I tell this to some of the candidates. If you win this competition, people will remember your name.
Yes, of course.
People will remember your name. Time will pass. We still remember. Naka-etch na yung pangalan nila sa history of Slimmers World, sa history of fitness. It will never be erased. It's an achievement that will always be there for you. If once you bag this competition, people will talk about you even 10 years down the road, which we still do. We still talk about the people who won 10 years ago, 15 years ago, 20 years ago. We still talk about them. They still are relevant in the fitness scene. Kasi from our vantage point, they were the reasons kung bakit marami tayong client na nag-exercise pa rin.
Yes.
And this is also another advantage, another a good thing that came out of Slimmers World, Great Bodies, is it's one of the best retention programs that we have. It retains our clients. Kasi, you can't find this anywhere else. Yeah, you can join other competitions. You'll win competitions. But, people forget that. Kasi wala naman, we have history. Kasi this is part of our culture. It's already a cultural thing for Slimmers World. Shared behavior to shared wisdom, everything is shared. And it's passed down through history, through generations.
Oo, tsaka pati yung mga friends, relatives, syempre nung clients ninyo, ma-attract nila mag-join kasi nakita nila nag-benefit yung
exactly
mga nag-join di ba?
Some of our candidates are relatives of previous candidates, of previous winners. Of mga syempre gusto nilang ako rin gusto. Actually, there were some years na husband and wife.
Yes.
We have husband and wife.
Sabay na sumali.
Sabay na sumali. Ang inintay namin yung mga father,
And
son.
sila
Father,
nag-compete
son,
with each
tandem,
other.
ganun.
Yes.
Hindi nag-compete sila with each other.
Yung Mr. and Miss yun eh.
Mr. and Miss naman.
So,
Okay.
Mr.
So,
yung
pwede-
So
lalaki.
there's a
tapos
possibility
Lalaki
po
lang.
na pwede din silang
oo.
manalo eh.
Mr.
Na,
and Miss.
Oo nga,
Wow.
no?
If
Oo.
that can be achieved, ang galing nun.
At siyempre, hindi lang naman, kasi di ba, hindi lang age ang, walang age na ano, di ba, requirement. So, ganun din, kahit single, kahit married, kahit
Yes.
divorced.
Opo,
Yes.
opo.
Kasali,
Opo,
di ba?
marital status isn't
How about
ano.
yung the other side, yung LGBT? Pwede rin ba?
Pwede,
Or-
yes.
It's ano naman po eh, it depends naman po talaga if they're really kumbaga
So, meron din mga
meron
sumali.
naman po definitely
Ah.
ng mga
Well, of course,
sumasali.
we've never had that issue yet.
Ah.
Issue yet. But of course, yung as long as you are willing to represent the
The male.
Yeah.
O nga yun, di ba? Parang hirap nun, no? What will they represent? Yung
Yeah.
male or yung female?
Basta kasi we don't want to create any controversy or any
Ah.
confusion. Basta you want to represent
The male.
the male
You want to represent the
population.
female,
Yeah, because that's what we're looking for.
No. Okay. So tanongin na natin, aside from Slimmers World, may nabalitaan ba kayo ng mga gumaya sa inyo na naggawa din ng parang ganitong competition din?
Yes, there are.
Meron
And
din.
that's very actually that's good. Actually, we encourage that
Mhm.
it's not just us doing the promotion of the healthy and fit lifestyle because
Mhm.
at the end of the day everybody will benefit from all this.
Mm.
No? So yes, there are other
Kasi alam ko,
organizations
ang-
na nagsistart ng ganyan but which is good, no? Kasi we don't want to think that we're the only game in town. No, may iba ding magpapa-contest diyan which is good, no? Do we see it as competition? Well, as long as, if it's competition, it's as long as it's healthy for us that we always actually maganda yun kasi we always step up our game. Every time there's a competition na ganyan. Kasi, of course, mag-create ng, ng competition, ng challenge for us.
Ayun. Balikan na natin si Pepper. Yung Pepper. Kasi kanina tinanong kita, di ba, balak mo bumalik sa yung sa Mocha Girls o yung mga ganong klase na bands or gusto mo ba mag-artista rin katulad ni Sir King? Aside, kasi di ba, nagpapaganda ka ng katawan mo, di ba? Yun ba yung intention mo para mapansin ka? Para makilala ka ulit o mapansin ka ng mga pwedeng na mga producer or mga director or whatever?
Like I said po 2 weeks ago, now po, this is my newfound passion. Kasi I don't want to go back nga po dun sa... Kasi before, I used to smoke nga po. So, it's not a healthy lifestyle talaga before. And yung sa Mocha Girls na work ko po before, we stay up late. Yes, and
kasi mga
you're
usually
dancing,
night gigs, di ba?
you're dancing and you're inhaling the cigarette smokes. And you're exposed to that. Exposed to puyat, exposed to cigarette smokes, tapos you sleep ng morning instead of night, baliktad yung oras mo, you have no time for your family. But now, I fell in love with this competition and this sport kasi it's not a one-time
Pero sabi kasi ni Robert, di ba, napapansin nga yung mga nananalo dito, mga ganon. So, let's say, nanalo ka. Tapos meron nag-alok sa'yo. Bigyan kita ng kontrata. Magiging star kita. Are you willing to accept it? Gusto mo bumalik?
I really want na po sa fitness
Talaga?
yes. Not anymore sa
Decided
ganun.
ka na talaga?
Yes.
Wow.
I really want to compete sa if given a chance sa ibang bansa na i-represent mo yung Philippines kasi here in the Philippines hindi pa masyadong yung bodybuilding parang pagka inisip nila bodybuilder yung babae, inisip kagad nila parang mukhang lalaki yung katawan. And I want to change that. I want to become, I have this, idols na sa ibang bansa like Michelle Lewin and Jamie Eason na they're muscular but then they're sexy as well. So they inspired me. So why can't I do that, 'di ba? So I want to be, I don't know if that's the right word, but I want to be the first here in the Philippines na I could inspire the youth na ang buhay I don't know, pero siguro yung now na wag puro gimmick day siguro. Before kasi I don't go gimmick rin. So parang it's fun to be healthy. Very enjoyable siya to be healthy. Hindi lang dun yung dapat yung lifestyle mo.
Kaya nga ako mention ko kanina, meron akong folding bike na nire-review. Kasi 'di ba, sabi nila mas healthy to bike, 'di ba? To walk, to bike, than commute.
Cardio.
Yes.
'Di ba?
Maganda yan, yung mga incidental exercises, huwag nating mamaliitin because these are very effective ways to change your lifestyle. If you can incorporate yung exercises into your lifestyle, kagaya yan, if that's your way of commuting, no? That's your commute to ride a bike, no, which is actually exercise. Ang ganda nun if you can incorporate it in your life kasi it is something regular that you do every day. Hindi siya kagaya nung, well, yung iba kasi they make an effort to exercise. It doesn't have to be that way. If you can incorporate it in your life, ang ganda.
Kaya lang na-mention din ni 'di ba, yung pollution, the smoke.
Yes.
Pag nag-bike ka rin, sa daan naman. Yung mga sasakyan.
You can always wear
mask.
You can wear a mask and take care. Although hindi siya kasing comfortable if you're breathing fresh air. Kaso nga lang, it is what it is. Meron tayong pollution sa labas. All you have to do is protect yourself kasi that's actually very toxic if you're going to same thing that Shane mentioned, yung secondhand smoke and then the pollutants that we have. Just make sure that you protect yourself from that, Part of yung taking care of yourself yan eh.
Yung si America naman, kasi tayo si America dun eh. Ano ba pwede ko yung tanong kay America? Kasi alam ko, si America nag-invite sa akin to be a media partner of Slimmers World Great Bodies, di ba? So, America, ano ba ang pwede ko yung tanong? Paano mo ba nalaman yung WhatsApp Pilipinas? Kaya, parang papromote ko na rin yung vlog ko. Kasi WhatsApp Pilipinas is a media partner of Great Bodies, Slimmers World, o Mr. and Miss Great Bodies. Paano mo siya nakita? Or may nag-recommend ba sa'yo? Or
Ni-recommend po ni Sir Neil. At saka po, well, alam niyo po ba yung Jacko Wacko?
Yes.
I was part of that kasi. And I think they got you. I saw your name sa database.
Yes.
So, I got you as the media partner then for this year's Great Bodies.
So ni-recommend ni Neil? Sino Neil?
Parang head ko po sa marketing department.
So ano nauna? Ni-recommend or nakita mo sa database?
Ni-recommend po.
Talaga? Tapos nakita mo rin sa database?
Opo. Nakita ko rin po sa database ng Jacko ako nung nag-go through po ako doon.
Paano naman ako nakilala ni Neil? Si Neil. Paano naman ako nakilala? Paano naman nalaman ni Neil ang whatsappfilipinas.com?
I think po yung before na interns, sila din po nakahanap sa inyo. Tapos, in-endorse po kay Sir Neil. Tapos si Sir Neil din po nagsabi sa akin.
Ano nga pala pinagkaiba nung Miss Bikini sa Great Bodies?
Okay. Miss Bikini po kasi is open to non-clients.
Okay. Pero tsaka ladies lang 'yun, di ba?
Yes, it's a competition for female.
Pero hindi siya for muscle building.
It's a pageant.
It's a pageant
Pageant
actually.
talaga siya. Beauty pageant.
Yes, ang advocacy po namin for Miss Bikini is to be able to promote being fit and sexy for female candidates. And then ang ano naman po kasi is since Great Bodies is exclusive for clients. So here naman po we're opening our doors to be able to help girls or ladies, young ladies to into our lifestyle, into Slimmers World's lifestyle.
Kaya ako tinatanong kasi I've covered both. Naka-attend na ako ng mga media presentations and the actual event ng Miss Bikini and Great Bodies.
Yes, and also yung Bikini Philippines, yung Bikini Philippines is also the winners will be representing the Philippines.
On what?
On
International
competition.
Which competition? Ano siya?
Bikini International.
So meron palang international competition.
Yes, and also
eventually.
Global,
yeah.
Pero ito, not necessarily clients, di ba?
Yes, we open our doors to non-client.
But they're representing the Philippines, hindi lang Slimmers World.
Yes, not only Slimmers World, but also the Philippines in international competition.
Our advocacy kasi talaga ng Slimmers World is to promote a healthy and fit lifestyle. Kasi actually throughout the years, that's why we also encourage others to do the same thing. Kasi the higher the awareness in the public, the better. Kasi mas marami siyang magiging potential clients. They're interested in engaging themselves in this kind of lifestyle. That's very good for us.
Ayan, sige, magbabalik tayo, mag-break muna tayo ang Bigatin Radio for a while. So babalik po ulit tayo. Ito po yung Pambasang Vlogger, mamaya ulit.
Hotel Sogo is the hotel chain of choice for travelers and balikbayans. Affordable, safe, and complete with amenities, unlike other provincial hotels. Now you have somewhere comfortable to stay anywhere in Metro Manila or even when you visit your favorite province. May problema ba sa car insurance mo? Kailangan mo ng matinding serbisyo? Dito ka na sa Ants Insurance Agency. Serbisyo garantisado. Tawag agad sa telephone number 374-8900. May bibilin ka ba? Baka naman may gusto kang ibenta. Log on na sa vgatintrade.com. Nasa internet na, nasa radyo pa. Basta bigatin, bigatin ka talaga.
Ayan, nagbabalik po ang Bigatin Radio dito sa Radyo Inquirer DCIQ 990 AM. Ito po ulit ang inyong pambansang vlogger, Ross Del Rosario ng whatsuppilipinas.com. Ayan, bago natin simulan ulit ang magandang usapan natin with the Slimmers World, training, marketing, and one of the candidates. Alam nyo ba guys na you can get 22% discount on all branches of Hotel Sogo for 6 hours and below. Yan. Hotel Sogo, 22% discount. Naku, malaking bagay na yon. Ang ano gagawin natin? I-text nyo lang ang Bigatin. Ang word na Bigatin, ang Bigatin po is letter B, I, G, A, T, T, I, N sa 0998-998-4444. And then, ang babalik po na reply code sa inyo, yun ang papakita nyo sa counter. Valid ito hanggang November 30, 2015. Again, text nyo po ang Bigatin sa 0998-998-4444. Ayan. Balikan natin yung mga taga Slimmers World. Ang ganda ng usapan namin nito ni Sir Robert eh. Parang sanay na sanay si Robert mag-promote talaga ng ng Slimmers World tsaka Great Bodies eh. Gaano katagal nyo na po ba ginagawa ito, Sir Robert? Ilang taon na ba?
Ang Great Bodies, this is our 20th year.
So 20 years na kayo?
Yes.
Kayo ba ang pioneer ng Slimmers World?
Hindi naman ako. No? Slimmers World started in 1975. So, siguro I was here early, a few years earlier than that.
Pero ang di ba 20 years ang Great Bodies?
Yes.
Pero 1975 ang Slimmers World.
Yes, that's right.
So, kailan kayo nag-join sa Slimmers World ba?
1992.
Okay. So, kala ko isa kayo sa mga nagsimula, nagtaguyod ng Slimmers World eh.
Medyo na ako. Actually, when I came to Slimmers World, hindi pa ganun ka-boom ang fitness. The fitness in the 90s was, I remember before, back in the day, rarity yan. Rare talaga. As in, for you to see another like-minded person, you have to travel. You have to search high and low to find a person who is like-minded. Katulad mo mag-isip, katulad mo mag-behave. Ang hirap maghanap nun. And throughout the years of promoting, because also Slimmers World has been very active in promoting the health and fit lifestyle. And I've been also chosen ever since to represent and to promote the exercise and fitness on TV, on radio. At nakita ko yung change. Ngayon, it's not very difficult to find like-minded, yung katulad mo mag-isip, katulad mo rin kasi before I remember in the 90s, they find me very weird. Kakaiba ako. Kasi the way I think back in the 90s, the way I behave, it's not really frowned upon. Hindi naman nila fina-frown, pero nawi-weirduhan sila sa akin. Bakit ganyan OA naman? Parang ganon. Pero now, it's a more accepted thing. Ngayon, every broadsheet has a column on health and fitness.
Tama.
Every magazine has a column on health and fitness. Lahat, even yung mga news,
Yes,
meron news, you go to news, international news, local news, meron silang segment about health and fitness. Laging may ganon, which is I'm very happy to witness that throughout my career here in the fitness industry. Nakita ko 'yon na nag-evolve from obscurity, kasi obscure kami no talagang talagang for me to find another competitor, mag-compete ka talaga. Kasi you won't see a like-minded person just sa neighborhood. Ngayon, you walk down the street, makakita ka, nag-workout din to. Nagda-diet din to, mga condition din, maganda rin yung katawan. Ngayon, that's a natural occurrence. Back in the day, nako, talagang dadayuhin mo, and it's a small community, kaya magkakakilala kayo. Ngayon, hindi mo nakakilala sa dami, which is a good thing.
Pero parang ang Slimmers World yata nagsimula ng trend, di ba? Ng mga gym dito.
Actually, we are the one left standing after all these years. Kasi we have generations of competition. Before, in the 70s, there was a batch of competitors when it comes to the fitness facilities. Tas nawala siya, nagkaroon a different batch in the 80s. And then there was a different batch in the 90s. And now we have the 2000, the new millennium. We have a new set of competitors, which is actually very welcome for us for the whole industry. But we're still there, we're still competing, we're still slugging it out with everyone.
Oo nga. Pero kasi naalala ko nung na-encourage akong mag-gym, Slimmers World ang pinakasikat nun eh.
Yeah.
Siya lang yung kilala ko eh. Wala akong kilalang iba. Siya lang kilala ko talaga eh. Kaya nga na-encourage ako, nag-member ako ng 1 year.
Yeah.
Yun. Ang nangyari lang doon, nalipat lang ako ng work assignment na ibang lugar na medyo malayo yung branch. Tamad ako noon. Kasi noon,
pwede kang bumalik ulit.
Yes.
Noon kasi walking distance lang eh. Di ba ang office ko kasi nasa nasa Banco de Oro ako, main office noon eh. Tapos walking distance lang yung Mega Mall. So after work, diretso na ako doon.
Sa kasi ang objective natin is in the gun community, sinasabi nila the gun is not the weapon, the person is the weapon.
Yes.
The gun is just the tool. Sinasabi nila sa tactical community. Pero tayo, that's the same thing. You don't have to rely on the gym
tama.
To be fit, no? We're trying to change the lifestyle. If your lifestyle change, then you are the fitness center. Para kahit saan pa, kasi kahit saan ka pumunta, ang mindset mo, ganun ka pa rin mag-isip. Kahit nasa hotel room ka, maghahanap ka ng paraan kung paano makapag-exercise, how to go through your day na meron ka pa ring exercise. There were times na I have to be, when you're quarantine, meron kang sakit. For example, I had an operation back in the day. Hindi ako pwede mag-exercise. I found a way to, kumbaga, hindi ako pwede talaga mag-exercise. Bawal talaga. Pero I will always find a way. Na mag-exercise ako, but not compromising my health in any way. Pero makakapag-exercise pa rin ako. So, I'm not confined na nasa gym ako kaya ako fit. No? If all you have is the floor underneath you, you will find a way. Makakahanap ka, makaka-exercise ka, makakapag-push-ups ka, you can do a lot of things. Makakapag-squats ka,
Discipline, no? At tanong ko si Jennifer tuloy. Si Pepper. Kasi 'di ba malapit na yung competition, November na 'yun, 'di ba? Meron ba kayong required na schedules na minimit na dapat meron kayong workouts, meron kayong mga rehearsals, ganon?
Yes.
Ano ba yung weekly, weekly ba ang requirement?
With my training po kasi, I usually train 4 days and then 5th day rest and then start again from the day one.
Sa gym yan. Sa gym.
Yes.
Yan.
Kasi weight training po yung sa bodybuilding na ginagawa ko. And then, our trainings, our rehearsals will start on Monday.
Monday na.
Yes.
Monday na.
In preparation pa for the pre-badging.
So, ano yung gagawin sa rehearsal? Parang
Pre-judging.
how they move, how they walk, ganun ba?
Yes, rehearsals naman po will be yung blockings and also the yung how it will be.
Hindi pa naman yun yung papakita yung katawan agad. Hindi pa.
Not yet. Definitely. Lang naman to, sir. Parang this is for also our preparation
kasi
for
they're
for
still
the main
working out,
event.
di ba?
Yes,
Iba papaganda pa ng katawan pa rin.
Yes. And also, sir, kasi we use the rehearsals as an interaction also for the candidates. Para kumbaga kompleto, intact sila, and then they get to know each other as well.
So that will be the first time na magkikita-kita silang lahat? Or
No, they've been seeing each other like in events like this. At saka they're preparing also, they're rehearsing for the opening number, which is actually the centerpiece of this event. Actually, that's what everybody is excited to see. Also, aside from of course yung candidates, kasi ito yung centerpiece, yung opening number is the centerpiece when we present our candidates to our audience.
Ano yung opening number? Ano yan? Dance?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's really a grand introduction of candidates.
Yes.
And the Slimmers World history.
Yun ang talagang you should not miss if you're watching this event. That is the must see.
On the app, the final event talaga na grand.
Yes, on November
yes.
21 at the Resorts World, 7 o'clock yan. So be there at 7 o'clock para kasi yun yung centerpiece namin. Once you see that, the stage, the presentation, that's what we're very proud of. That's what separates us from other competitions.
It's
Kasi
the production.
we really take it seriously on how we present our candidates. We're not just sila nga pala yung mga candidate. Dapat talaga kasi we believe na naghirap sila dyan eh. It is their life's achievement na I am here on stage and we want this to be their moment. Talagang maganda yung presentation. Talagang
I agree kasi nga sabi ko, di ba, naka-attend na ako ng mga events.
Very heart-pumping.
Talagang ganda, grabe. Talagang pinaghirapan.
yes,
diba?
Imported yung production,
Yes.
yung quality of
Yes.
Ang huling in-attend ako yata, media presentation pa lang, maganda na eh. Ano ba yung team na ginamit dati doon last year?
Hunger Games.
Hunger
Tama,
Games.
yung Hunger Games, di ba?
Yes.
Di ba? Ganda pa lang. Tapos ang ganda ng photos na nakuha ko doon from there.
And the theme, kung mapapansin nyo, yung theme pa iba-iba, no? Merong ano. Kasi ang objective natin is kumuha tayo ng inspiration from other cultures. From other, Hunger Games is a movie, alam natin yun. Pero may culture siya from the movie na pinopromote. There's a certain culture of discipline, of benevolence, of honor. In all the cultures na meron nun, ini-embrace natin at we apply it on great bodies. Para syempre, hindi sarado yung inspiration natin sa isang klaseng kultura. Iba-iba din.
Ngayon ba, masasabi niyo ba ngayon ng team? Mare-reveal niyo na ba? Or hindi pa? Surprise?
Yes, it's Japanese.
Ayaw nga pala.
Japanese
Warriors.
Warriors.
So, all throughout na yon. So,
Yes. That's a
kasi
theme
yun
for
ang
this
lumalabas
year.
sa Facebook ninyo, di ba? Naka-Japanese outfits sila.
Yes.
Tapos, ganoon din ang magiging team ng settings ng stage.
That's right.
Yes.
Both on the media presentation and the actual event.
Yes.
Yes.
Yung feel, yung vibe nila, talagang pinopromote. Yung Japanese warrior or the Bushido Code, kung tawagin. Yung Bushido Code, embraces honor, talagang discipline,
So, paano naging
strength.
preparation nito? Meron ba kayong parang consultant on Japanese or
We have a research team kung paano natin may express. Kasi we will have guests from the Japanese embassy na talagang we want them to appreciate.
Kailangan authentic eh.
Dapat
It
authentic.
should be authentic.
As authentic as we can.
Baka magsasalita si Pepper ng Japanese language. Hindi naman pala, Chinese pala yung sinabi niya. O kaya Bisaya.
True. Dapat talaga.
Do you know Japanese ba, Pepper?
No.
Hindi. So,
A little.
nag-aaral ka na.
Greetings.
Meron ba silang dialogue pag nag-present?
Self-introduction.
Yeah,
It's during after the opening number, they're going to introduce each candidate will introduce themselves.
So, record ba sila magsalita ng Japanese?
Not
Hindi
really.
Not
Hindi
really
naman.
naman po.
But, or they can just promote the culture or the yung mga the virtues.
Paano nga
the
pala
Bushido
yung
food.
ano nila? Yung, di ba, may costume, may mga outfits sila.
We provide that.
You provide it na.
Yes.
So, sila ba namimili ng design or kayo na bahala doon? Kung ano yung bagay sa kanila?
Yung theme po, Slimmers World po is the one providing the apparels for the main event. But then they yung mga candidates po, they can also have yung choices nila when it comes to the prejudging competition.
So, pwede nilang dagdagan ng mga props.
No, what's going to happen on November 16 at Teatrino, which is the prejudging. That's the event where they get to wear their own posing outfits. Not the ones that we provide.
So sa kanila 'yon.
Yeah, kasi creative 'yun eh. They have to be creative and no. So
original.
Original. So they can do that. Everybody gets to show off their physique in the suits of their choosing. Pwede silang pumili ng kahit na anong.
So not necessarily na yung nasa Facebook page ninyo, yung outfit nila, pwedeng iba rin 'yon.
That's for promotional purposes.
Pero yan provided ng ano yan, Slimmers World.
Yes.
Okay. So nakita ko yung suot ni Pepper dun eh.
Yes.
Yung mga ibang candidates dun eh.
At saka we want to get that feel and effect na the Japanese warrior. Ito yung code nila, ito yung virtues nila na pinaparallel o hinahalin tulad sa mga virtues ng mga bikini ng great bodies candidates.
So pwede sila magdala ng mga Bushido blade ba tawag doon?
Yung mga mga
katana. Para kung natalo sila pwede. Chop nila.
Actually may gumawa before pero nagdala siya ng blade, no? Kasi
confiscate.
Nagdala siya ng blade that was part of her routine.
Okay.
Of her creative posing routine. I remember that.
So, totoong blade siya, hindi siya props lang.
Totoo eh. Unfortunately, ako yung nag-host nung and I was on the same stage when she was performing. She was performing her routine. Sabi ko, nagkamali ito. One less host.
Now going back to the event, ano ba to? Open to the public or do we have to buy tickets for it?
The tickets are not for sale. It's free. Everybody's invited. If you can get your hands on any of our tickets.
You can visit any Slimmers World centers to be able to inquire.
Hingi lang kayo? Or sa mga clients dapat?
You have to visit our centers so para malaman po natin kung paano makaka-avail ng ticket.
Everything is free. If you go to Slimmers, you get a free consultation. You might get a free ticket. And or you can call our hotline. Yan.
Sige, hotline.
It's
536-3333
or 09 Slimmers.
091 Slimmers.
091 Slimmers.
So open siya sa public free pero di ba gagawin ang pinaka main event sa Resorts World sa
November 21.
Saan doon sa Resorts World? Sa
Newport
Theater.
Yes.
Performing Arts Theater.
Okay. So malaki naman yun, malaki capacity nun, di ba?
Yes.
So marami ma-accommodate.
Yep.
And then ang media event naman, hindi to open sa public, syempre.
Yes, ideally, the candidates, they can bring their own, friends nila. But it's really
for the media
closed door.
talaga.
It's for media. If you notice, maliit lang yung venue. But
Teatrino, di ba?
Yes. And also that event would give us the chance to look closely at
each candidates.
So again, November 16 yung media event pero sa mga media lang yun.
Yes.
And media and close friends. And then yung grand event is November
21.
Yun.
Yes.
Both are 7 o'clock p.m.
No, yung pre-judging is on 11 a.m. po.
Can you mention ba yung mga judges na magja-judge na?
No.
Hindi pa secret.
Yes. Actually, kasi what it's very confidential kasi we want to make sure that everything is fair. One of the reasons that great bodies has been promoted all these years and we've been doing this for all these years because of the integrity that we preserve. We try to preserve the integrity of the results of our competition by getting fresh eyes. No one has a monopoly of the results. So fresh eyes lahat sila. Fresh eyes we get from all different sectors.
Every year different judges and then
doon lang malalaman ng mga candidate kung sino yung judge on the actual
on the day of the main event.
Media presentation.
Opo.
So pre-judging. So ang i-judges dun sa pre-judging is anong part ng competition? Sa pre-judging,
Yeah.
ano yung i-judge lang doon?
Ang i-judge doon was the physique.
Physique lang siya.
Yung physique. So, if you want to see their physiques, definitely go to the pre-judging. If you want to see the great show of great bodies, you have to be there in the 21.
On the main event.
And you also get to see their physique as well. So, ang ano, like I said, yung pre-judging is only for the media and also for the judges.
Pero yung judges on the media presentation are the same judges on the grand event. Iba pa rin.
Iba.
No, different.
Kaya there is no monopoly. And there is a separate...
Kumbaga fair po talaga.
Talaga, oo. Walang pwedeng yung
wala po
one of the candidates na, alam na, ito yung mga judges, di ba?
Walang ganon.
Wala
ganon.
Surprise
pinanalo kasi walang ganon. Kasi kung meron man dito, pagdating sa main event, iba na naman.
Ibang set na naman ng judges.
Not only that, we have a separate judging system for the aerobics. Iba pa yun.
Hindi pala katulad to ng, kasi iba, di ba, yung mga beauty pageants, sinasabi na yung mga judges, di ba?
I know.
Even before the event.
No.
Even in, Miss Bikini, hindi po, no revelation of the judges.
Galing,
so,
galing.
magkaiba po talaga during the pre-judging and media event, and then different po talaga sa main event.
You have anything to share, Merica?
Ay! Good luck na sa candidates.
Ayun. Si Merica kasi, di ba, OJT ka sa kanila.
Opo.
OJT ka. So, you're still studying at LaSalle, di ba?
Yes
Na-mention mo
po.
kanina. So, parang, how long will you be joining Slimmers World?
Bala ko po mag-extend Kasi next term, medyo chill-chill na lang ako. I'm waiting for graduation. Ganun.
Pero you're in charge of for this competition lang? Great bodies or marami kang ginagawa for Slimmers
For
World?
great bodies pa lang po.
So
and it's also good for her na makakita ng event like this kasi kakaiba siya.
Ano ba course mo, America?
Business management po.
Okay. So talagang yun yung ginagawa mo, nagmamanage ka na. Balikan natin si ano naman?
Yes po.
You have anything else to share bago tayo mag-time?
Ang ko lang pa is we want to invite everyone to visit Slimmers World so that you'd be able to witness our candidates during the main event of Great Bodies 2015. It's at Newport Theater po, Resorts World.
Curious ako dun sa di ba meron kayong tarang rehearsal?
Yes po.
Is it open to the public
I know,
ba?
it's a closed door rehearsal po talaga.
Pero sa media partner, open ba yan?
No, sir.
Hindi rin?
Hindi po.
Hindi tumawag ako, sabi pwede daw
We
Di ba
scheduled...
mag-interview?
Opo, yung video interview.
Scheduled naman po yung mga ganun. Pero hindi naman po every rehearsal meron.
Yes.
Kumbaga, special
Kasi I wanted to get
partners.
a video profile ng bawat candidate. So, parang ginawa natin 2 weeks ago.
Yes.
Na i-video natin ng konti para part of the promotion na rin. Para merong personal.
Sir, ano naman we can schedule that. Don't worry.
Ayun.
What they're just worried about is kasi yung pagka kawawa yung mga candidates natin if it extends kung masyadong marami. Kawawa naman sila kasi mahahaba na yung araw nila tapos they're preparing pagod na sila.
Some of our they are working. So our rehearsals are after office hours, after school hours. So medyo exhausted na po sila all throughout the day. So parang ayaw naman namin silang sobrang ma-pressure because of exposing them too much. So mahirap din naman po.
Okay
Pero
lang.
syempre we can schedule din naman po.
Schedule natin,
Oo, media partner.
Oo naman.
So, Pepper,
yes.
What can you say naman, di ba, eto nga, nagko-compete ka. So, may mga additional na admirers na lumapit na ba sa'yo? Nadagdagan ba mga suitors mo? Ganyan.
I am happily
you're happily
yes,
engaged na? Di pa naman
soon to
engaged?
be.
Wow!
Yes.
Ano ba to? Taga-showbiz din ba?
No.
Non-showbiz siya?
Non-showbiz, but he's into bodybuilding as well.
So, Slimmers World din?
Yes. But he's a
Different branch.
consultant. Yeah, he's a manager. Yes.
Okay.
So, even if that's great about fitness din po and slimmers, that na you can really you can work but then you can have this healthy lifestyle.
Taga-Slimmers
They will
World.
help you, yes.
So, doon kayo nagkakilala sa
No,
Slimmers?
no.
Ay, hindi.
Yes.
Kayo lang paano, sino nauna sa Slimmers World? Ikaw o siya?
Cheese Max.
Okay, para may showbiz na konti.
FB.
FB. FB. Sa Facebook.
Yes, Facebook.
Nakita kayo sa Facebook, tapos nagkayayaan na sa Slimmers World.
Ano ba yan?
So, sa Slimmers World ba, yun ang next question ko kasi di ba yung candidates nagkakasama-sama yan.
Yeah.
Meron ba nagkaka-develop dyan?
Well, in history, yeah, it's kasi
naman
meron?
mga, hindi naman talagang nagkakatuluyan or something, pero parang,
they get close.
Admiration.
closeness
Admiration,
talaga. Yes,
maybe.
they
Hindi-
appreciate each other.
Kasi di ba they see each other na pareho kayo like-minded, di ba? Pareho kayo
Yes.
sa bodybuilding. And then, lagi kayo nakikita.
Yes.
Di ba?
Minsan po
Well,
kasi parang,
Yeah, human factors yan that we have to consider, especially they see each other on a regular
Kaya
basis.
nga, di ba?
It can work both ways. Na yun nga, pwede sila maging close or the competition may create a rift between our candidates. Kasi throughout the years hindi pare-pareho yung nagiging results. Kasi nga yung competition brings out the best in them, it also sometimes brings out the worst in them, no? So
Meron ding worse. Meron
hindi
bang
natin kasi hindi natin
Sa
maalis yun sa
pressure
sobrang
din po kasi.
passion nila.
Tsaka
Gusto
yung
kong
passion,
manalo,
yung
hindi
pressure.
pwede.
So talagang talagang gustong-gusto talaga na
Yes.
gagawin ng lahat, ganun ba?
Correct.
May nangyaring ganun.
Na naapektuhan na yung yes, it happens. Pero syempre, we are here. The reason that we oversee all of this is we want to make sure, and we're very concerned about how each other interacts.
Hands-on po talaga
Hands-on kami kasi we want to make sure that we bring out only the best, in our
everyone.
not worst. We try to eliminate the worst part. Yung mga hindi makatanggap ng talo, yung mga ganon, yung mga yung napipikon or anandadaya. We want to because these are effects also of competition.
Ayan,
These are the byproducts of competition.
Tama.
Tatanggalin natin 'yan. So, yung magaganda lang.
Ayan, naku, time na po tayo. So, parting words po tayo, parting words. Simulan natin kay Pepper muna. Sige.
Yes, again, we are inviting you on November 16 at Trino Green Hills. That's for pre-judging. And on November 21 at Resorts World at Newport Theater, we promise that you will be inspired and motivated, not just in physical but also mental and all factors of your life. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ina.
Just visit any Slimmers World centers all over Metro Manila, and please call our hotline 536-3333 or 091-SLIMMERS for more information.
Si America, may sabihin ka, America?
You can go to our website, www.slimmersworld.com.ph.
Yun. And then, Sir Robert.
Yes, again, everyone is invited to witness this tradition, this history on November 21
Yes.
at the Resorts World Manila, 7 o'clock. Again, like I mentioned earlier, you have to see the opening number. That's the
bongga
icing.
ba?
Yes.
Yun po talaga ang kailangan. Kailangan dapat di kayo mali.
Yes.
Dapat
Dapat di kayo
maaga
mali.
kayo.
Kasi pinaghihirapan namin yan every year. And true enough, every year, yan talaga yung everybody talks about it.
Yun ang fireworks po ng aming show.
Event. Yes.
Dapat pala may backstage rin ako dito.
Correct.
Para habang
Yes, kasi
nagpe-prepare, di ba?
yes, how kung yung another view, because I don't get to witness it, how frantic they are at the backstage.
Yes,
Kasi
yes,
frantic
yes.
yan kung paano sila, kung paano
Super
sila.
exciting po sa backstage.
Yeah.
I'm always there.
Ayan, si Ina gets to see that.
Sige, hanapin ko si Ina.
I'm always there.
Nandun kayo pareho. Ayan, so salamat po mga kaibigan, mga listeners po ng Bigatin Radio, Radyo Inquirer, DCIQ 990 AM. Ito po ang inyong pambansang vlogger, Ross Del Rosario ng What's Up Pilipinas. Nagpapaalam na po. Salamat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
This is the perfect time, baby. There's something I want to give you.
Wait, is this the part where you kneel down and I'm not ready for this, I'm not ready for this. OMG, you're holding that box. OMG, I'm freaking out.
Surprise!
What? A Hotel GC?
Get hotel accommodations, gadgets, or other prizes. All worth over 10 million pesos in Resorts World Manila's Sure Prize.
Really? Now it's my turn. We're having a baby. Surprise!
Resorts World Manila.
Visit rwmanila.com for details. Earn points from October 1 to 24, 2015 to join. GLDD number 15-5092.
Salubungin ang isa na namang araw ng maagang pagbabalita sa mga kaganapan at mga balitang dapat ninyong malaman. Alas 4 hanggang alas 5 ng umaga, Lunes hanggang Biyernes, samahan si Ruel Perez at si Erwin Aguilon tuwing Sabado at Linggo sa Diaryo sa Radyo. Dito sa himpilan ng balanseng pagbabalita, walang takot na pamamahaya. Radyo